to my channel. I have an unboxing for Muse Kits for July 2023. I'm very excited to open this. Don't know what this is. Oh my god. Okay. There's a lot of markers. Or something. Like a water brush pen. So, watercolor markers? Question mark? With paint brushes. How does this work? Okay. Ooh. Ooh, it's like a little planter pot, but actually for water. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. We have the one and only Nicholson Peerless transparent watercolors. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at this. Oh, these are some bright colors. I think these are the same as the Peerless I've tried before, but holy crap are these. Very brilliant. Oh, you can pull them apart. See, that's useful. Okay, we have a watercolor block. And this thing? This thing? Yeah? Yeah. I think it was a lemon drop. I didn't actually look, I'm sorry. I'll salvage that later. I just want to see what this is. It's the cutest little backpack. Oh my god. But oh my god, is this a cute little backpack? Okay. We have the center pocket. And the front pocket. Okay. Let me look at the watercolor block. Canson. Okay, let me look at this thing. Watercolor on the go. It's watercolor month, so they went plein air like Sketchbox did. A watercolor brush pen set. It's a lot of. These are 20 watercolor brush pens. Okay, so you can use the markers kind of like watercolor pencils. Camera's over there. Yeah. Art prompts. See, these are easy art prompts. I can do all of these. I might actually do them this month. There's creek, tree, car, tulip. I had a hell of a time trying to open this water brush, but just remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's actually very easy, but my brain was just not functioning. I was struggling. So yeah, just pull it to the left. Okay. All right, I am going to. I'm a little overwhelmed by the amount of colors are here. So I have all of these to work with. I mean, look at all these colors. There's so many. I have all of these colors, and then I have all the markers. So I think I'll start with the markers and then I'll do a separate sheet. Pull it off at the corner here. So, one sheet for the Peerless watercolors and one sheet for the marker. For swatching, I start with all the markers. There are 20 of them. A lot of color options. They look pretty good. And then I dilute them with water using the water brush and also try to lift them to see what's left behind. They lift probably about 90% of the color, so not perfectly white, but it's very, very good. The Peerless watercolor sheets are very pretty. They're just very pigmented. They look great on the paper. My only complaint is a bit of a hassle switching from this color to that color. This is actually the second piece I am using with these watercolors. The first one, I just didn't like how it turned out, and I don't know. I just wasn't happy with it. So I tried again, and this one turned out much better. It's pretty straightforward what I'm doing here, so I'm just gonna let the music play on.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, showed me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bedsheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. To be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't don't feel broken anymore. Numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
And I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with this. Look at that. Water just kind of like sparkles and stuff. So these watercolors, they're pretty. They're useful. Is it my go-to watercolor? Absolutely not. I did have one of them stick to the other side. So yeah, I like the watercolors. This is good. They're just not my favorite watercolors to use, but they're very pretty. The watercolor markers took out a lot of stress because I knew that whatever I did would come up and it'd be dissolvable and stuff. Okay, so no complaints on that. These brushes were great. I like the different sizes. I didn't use all of them, as you can see. Water brush worked really great. Water cup. Yeah, this thing is gonna be with me everywhere. Look at that. And what else we have? We have a bag. Let me push this up a little bit. The question is, can I fit all this stuff into this bag? And let's see. The answer is yes. You can fit all this stuff into this bag. What else can I fit in this bag? A ruler, an eraser, a pencil sharpener, my headphones. What else we got? Put a color wheel in here. A wheel in here. Color wheel. Yes, that's the word. Color wheel. Okay, we got that. Come on. Beautiful. We are all set to go out and have fun with this thing. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I'm not sponsored by Muse Kits. I purchased the box myself. They are approximately $50, but you can get discounts if you do the prompts and stuff. So I did 2 of the prompts. So I did Creek, so I got $1 off, and Tree, another $1 off. So yay. So if you do the prompts, it's worth it. But I'm not always inspired enough to do all the prompts or any of the prompts. Yes, what else are we doing? Yes, if you do these things, you get prompts. You view a product, place an order, sign up, birthday, online, whatever. Oh, and I made it in here. Yay!